In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export content and data from HubSpot. Exporting your data is really useful if you want to back things up, analyze information in a spreadsheet, or move it into another system. In this walkthrough, I'll focus on exporting company records, but the process is almost identical for contacts, deals, blog posts, pages, dashboards, reports, and form submissions, so you can easily apply the same steps elsewhere. First, log into your HubSpot account using your usual credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to decide exactly what you want to export. For this example, we'll work with companies which live under the CRM area of HubSpot. Look over to the left-hand toolbar and find the CRM icon. Hover your mouse over it to expand the menu, then click on Companies. This will open the full list of companies stored in your CRM. Here, you can filter or search if you need to narrow things down, which is especially helpful if you only want to export a specific segment rather than everything. Now, select the companies whose information you want to export. You can tick individual checkboxes next to each company, or use the checkbox at the top of the column to select all records currently shown. Make sure you're happy with your selection, because only these records will be included in your export file. Once your companies are selected, look toward the top right area of the screen for the export button. It can sometimes be grouped under a More or Actions dropdown, depending on your view, but it will be in that upper toolbar. Click Export, and a pop-up window will appear with several options. In this pop-up, start by editing the export name. Choose something descriptive so you can easily recognize it later, like Company Export Q1 or similar. Next, use the file format drop-down to choose the type of file you want, such as CSV or Excel, depending on how you plan to use the data. You can also select the language for the column headers, which is useful if your team works in multiple languages. If you click the Customize section, you'll see more detailed options. Here you can choose to include all company domains for companies with multiple domains, select which properties you want to include in the export, and define which associated records should be part of the file. Taking a moment to customize this can really clean up your export and keep it focused. When you are satisfied with all your settings, scroll to the bottom of the pop-up and click Export. HubSpot will generate the file and either download it directly or send it to your email, depending on your settings and the size of the export. And that's it. You've successfully exported your data from HubSpot.